men speak a different language and they have a different approach than women do. Women tend to talk in circles, like landing an airplane, okay? Men talk in straight lines. You may ask your wife, hey, what's for dinner, honey? And she'll go on about, well, I thought we'd have this, and then we could have this little special sauce, and get these sides. I saw it on Facebook. Everybody's sharing it. We gotta try it. And we're like, can you just say chicken? Land the plane, babe. Come on. We're talking straight line. Give me the facts. I'll be driving. Connie's riding shotgun. She's returning some text to somebody, and she loves the little microphone. Oh, she loves the microphone. She pushes that button so quick. She doesn't do this anymore. She pushes the microphone button. And she'll be going on about that. And I'm like, honey, stop. Just give the facts.